In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal business account in just a few minutes. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your current setup, I'll guide you through each step with ease, so let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open up any web browser and head over to paypal.com. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options on the homepage, but what you want to do is click on the sign up button. This will redirect you to the sign up page where you'll see an option for creating either a personal or a business account. Since our focus today is on setting up a business account, select the business option. After selecting the business option, go ahead and click on Get Started. This will lead you to a form where you need to enter some basic information. Fill in your legal name, provide your email address, and create a secure password. Make sure your password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure the security of your account. Once you've filled this out, you'll proceed to set up the specifics of your business account. You'll be prompted to select the type of business account you want to set up. This choice depends on your business needs and structure. After selecting your business type, you'll need to provide further details such as your business registration number, a brief description of your business activities, and your bank account details. This information is crucial for setting up how you'll receive payments, so double check everything for accuracy. Now comes the terms and conditions section. It's important to review these to understand the specifics of your agreement with PayPal. After you're familiar with the terms, click Agree and Create Account to move forward. At this point, PayPal will send a verification code to the email address you provided earlier. This is a security step designed to prevent any fraudulent activities on your new account. Make sure to check your email inbox and possibly your spam folder to find this code. Enter the verification code on the PayPal site as instructed, and with that your business account setup is almost complete. PayPal may ask for additional information about your business, such as detailed information about your business type and your anticipated turnover. Providing this information helps tailor your account features to better suit your business operations. Congratulations, you now have a PayPal business account set up, ready for transactions. Remember, a business account offers many benefits, such as tracking business expenses and receiving payments from customers all over the world. It's a powerful tool in today's digital economy, so take advantage of it fully. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more of our tutorials for further tips and tricks on managing your business online.